Namaste all. My name is Manya.
My name is Aditi.
We are 8th grade.
We are studying in Purnapramati school.
Now we are going to present here about birds in Uttarali Lake. Introduction part. Uttarali Lake is located in Uttarali, Bangalore, opposite to Rajadri Palace Hotel, Dr. Vishnuvardan Road in the southwestern part of the city. It's frequently visited by many local residents during its open hours. The lake attracts many bird species that breed in the natural wetland. There is a walking track around the lake about 0.85 km.
The materials which we used in our project is book, pencil, binocular and mobile to take pictures.
Our objectives: identify the birds in Uttarali Lake and check their status and background. For this we used IISC and red list. Recording the chirping of the bird and identifying which it is. We got 2 species of birds by this and we have mentioned in further slides.
The method we used is line transit method, and the study area of R is about 15 acres and 16 hectares. The coordinates of our study area is 12.9078 to the north and 7.5415 to the east.
Results: we found 3 near threatened, 1 vulnerable species and 6 least concerned species of the birds. About the birds, we saw painted stock. It has been classified as near threatened by the IISC and red list of threatened species, and their population continues to decline towards southern and southeast China.
Like this, we have researched about the bird which we found. These are the birds which we found.
Spotted and Uttarali Lake, crow, myna, red-whiskered bulbul, black-kite, spotted dove, brown kite, painted stock, great egret, oriental darter, black-headed indies, and white chickabaw.
The most common bird we found is the crow, and the most rare one is the spotted dove. The dominant family is Banashankari, and the number of species that we found is 11.
References: we used a website called Melvin Bird ID, and it was very helpful for us to spot about 6 species of birds, and we used IISC and red list to check their status and background, and we read a book called Birds of India.
These are the pictures we
And by the chirping sound, we have mentioned 2 species of birds called myna and white chickabaw. For this, Vijala Ranna helped us to find these.
and also we have captured a video of oriental darter catching a fish.
We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to Vijala Ranna who gave us this golden opportunity to present it here. Secondly, we would like to thank our friends and teachers who helped us to finalize this project. And lastly, I thank my partner who encouraged me for everything.
What was the timings that you visited the Uttarali Lake, and was there any reason that you went for the times? It has been better.
We visited in the evening. In the morning we were not able to, so we visited around 4:30.
Was there any reason why you did that?
That time was as we had school in the morning, we visited in the evening. There is no specific reason.
You should read that birds of Bangalore and write in the introduction how many birds are there in Bangalore, their ecological function, what they do, why we need birds. See, Bangaloreans do not know, at least you should tell them what okay, you list those things and then say what fraction you have done. Okay, I think this is only one time thing, one visit, 3 visits. Maybe you can go further. What do you think? Some more
We also did it.
okay. So he will also improve.
So in the introduction slides, you can start with birds. Okay, what are the morphology, their ecological importance, then link to the lake.
See, this is actually study
Area. This
Uttarali Lake is your study area. Introduction means you should introduce. Your subject is birds. You you should talk about birds. Why birds are required? Belong to which order, which family? Like that you have to listen. How many families you know here in Bangalore, and you improve the introduction.
Then this will come in the study area, and in the table shown in the subsection that is not in italics. The scientific name should be in italics, and also try to interpret a culture by showing the species which is dominant, all those things similar to other red species presentation.
Just go back that two slides. I also felt.
This is the one.
You should not skip. Unless there is a time contract. Okay, you have put it, you can improve that. Abhishek?
Namaskar, I'm Megha, and I'm Ruchara. We are here to present about Flora of the Atlas, which is a system of biodiversity. Introduction: we have a field study and observation of flora and their surroundings, and also we have shown time samples, which is easily available. Location is Purnapramati, Nandagokula.
The objectives that we wanted to focus on this project were identifying all the types of flora in our school. As Megha said, we students have stored 10 samples, and we did research to know basic information about all those plants. And we included the medicinal uses so that we can use them easily. And then observe their growth pattern and use. The last objective is still involved. The study area we chose was included in our school premises. It measures the plot where we grow all these plants measured 3.27 meters into 8.37 meters. The soil was rich in earthworms and was very porous. The humus was very good in the soil, and all of those plants were organically grown. And these students took the initiative and grew the plants independently.
Materials used are 30 centimeters scale to measure the things, phone to take the pictures that we got, notebook and pencil to note down our observations.
These are the results we have. We have listed down all the plants that we saw. Those are daisy, arizata,
The break for children. You didn't alert us. After this, okay, you can take a break. Okay? You should tell us. You are the chairman. Why you didn't tell me?
The plants we listed down were daisy, parizata, tulsi, peach, Banashankari, also known as Indian forest, marigold, cashewnut, complex, also known as complex, jasmine, tomato, turmeric, common grass, and chili. Here we have listed down the scientific name and vernacular names of all of these.
We have also studied about medicinal uses of flora that we have got. Maypee, which is also known as fenugreek. It is used in many cultures worldwide, and it is also consumed by those who have low sugar levels and also used when cramps are seen. Parijata, it is also part of Ayurveda studies where its leaves are treated in various diseases such as fever, cough, sciatica, rheumatism, and arthritis. Turmeric. In Ayurvedic practices, turmeric has high proportion of medicinal uses where it is a certified Manunmani book, and also the root is very helpful for dissecting with blood, mucus, piles, urinary cavity, and leaves are very useful for piles, fissures, skin, wounds, and ulcers. Dharpatra, which is also known as Indian bolus. Some of the most interesting health benefits of this includes health of the skin, defense against cold and disease, and also it is very helpful for arthritis. Chili has properties for curing rheumatism, stiff joints, bronchitis, chest colds, and more.
Next is marigold plant. Marigold plant is not only very small, but its beautiful appearance attracts insects and pests to stay away from the other plants. Here in this picture, we have grown the marigold plant to distract those insects from other plants. It can be used for fevers, jaundice, stomach ulcers, conjunctivitis, liver problems, burns, or wounds. Most of the medicinal uses we have listed are either from the internet sources or from the native soil. Means it is helpful, it provides protein, it can also act as antioxidants, it is good for heart health, diabetes and glucose metabolism will be increased, and it prevents fatty liver. And tomato, it is used for boost your immune system, lower your cortisol, and improves blood circulation. It is also used in face masks to improve skin. These are the measurements of the plants that we have grown. Chili was grown up to 36 cm, linseed 64, parijata 39, tomato 24, turmeric 30, lemon 42 cm, daisy 10 cm, jasmine 70 cm, congress 52 cm, common grass 15 cm, touchnut 5 cm, and marigold 96 cm.
These are the pictures that we have captured while farming. We have grown marigold, beans, methi, coriander, chili, and more. Most of the plants have been grown naturally.
The mango tree was grown there before we came to that school. These are some other things of the plants that we have grown. I would like to thank Banashankari for his valuable feedback and time, Ujjalalana for trusting our potentials to do this project, Meera, Hanya, Aditi, and Skanda for their share of knowledge.
We would also like to express a special gratitude to Lead Conference 2024 under School Purnapramati to giving us this opportunity. We are very grateful for the opportunity to work on this project and appreciate the assistance and support we have received throughout it.
We would also like to thank IISC team to review our proposals. These are the references we have used. And thank you.
This is not introduction. You should introduce the subject, flora, and then you can also talk about what are the varieties of flora that are there in Bangalore. Okay, those are things should come. Okay. Then this is the next slide to justify why you did. Then can you go to the slide where Methi was there? See, all those species names should be italics. Okay. There was a Methi. You have written that from lower down with sugar level. What is that? Lower down with sugar levels means those who are suffering from lower down with sugar level. So what exactly you wanted in that time? Diabetes. Okay, you improve that, then go to the next chili. before comma there is no space. After comma there should be space. Okay. Are you sure it is useful for headache? Yeah, people say when they eat green chili they get headache. Chili you have written for headache now. Curing headache. When people have headache, if they eat green chili, will it go? No? It will go. It will increase. No? What? Aparna?
Refer to books, proper books.
When you speak bit louder so that chairman can hear. He is telling you what is she speaking.
No, I say take data from a proper book or article rather than taking Wikipedia, depending on the
So in the introduction, you have to write the importance of flora in an ecosystem. So one slide should be there. Okay. Another, you can also write about some literatures where they talk about how plants are used as medicinal plants and all. So in long back they have used plants as for medicinal properties. So you have cite some literatures on that. Then, and in conclusion, you have to write the result part.
Yes, chairman.
So what do you mean by rheumatism? You have mentioned a disease, the chili case. So what do you mean?
Rheumatism.
Rheumatism is a disease where joints face some problems. It's a disease where our body joints will have some trouble in moving.
They will have pain and all. You know the joints.
So one more point. So in that table you can also add a family name. Get this family name in order and then you can make it 5 star, which is the most dominant family. So that all should come to conclusion in one line.
I think the common name should have the English name, while the vernacular name should have the Kannada and the other local language.
That's why you are chairman. Okay. Very good. And should be written in Kannada. Vernacular name should be written in Kannada.
Not like we can also have some language. It should have the local language.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Anita. I am studying standard. Today I am going to tell about comparative study of growth of United States with physical, fertilizer and organic materials. Today I am going to talk about the following: that is introduction, objective of the project, materials and methods, project
Persons, no, in your group.
No,
Ananthan from Bhargav.
didn't come.
Bhargav is there.
He is not coming.
The best way to start the objective of this project is what was and what is. Why people in earlier days, people used to grow plants and crops using organic fertilizers and organic pesticides. And in 1842, the invention of chemical fertilizers came, and people used to grow plants and crops using chemical fertilizers. But why this change happened? People preferred chemical fertilizer because it gives better yield and in a quicker duration. And we have to think what the effects from the fertilizers affect the environment. It has harmful effects
sow the seeds for the two cases, and for that two plots, you have to put chemical fertilizer and vermicompost, and track the development of fenugreek and compare the results for these two cases, and conclude which method is better in what way. This is the study area that I did. It's near my home, and it is located in Delhi. Now moving on to materials and methods. The materials that I took are fenugreek seeds, chemical fertilizer that is NPK 19-19-19, and organic fertilizer vermicompost. I used gardening tools, mug, water, phone for camera, photos, measuring cups, and measuring scale. Now the method: make two plots, 2 into 1 feet for the cases to be studied, and plant equal amount of fenugreek seeds. Add fertilizers after the sapling stage. Chemical fertilizer quantity that I do is 1 tablespoon mixed with 1 liter of water and pour it around the plot. Then I put 1/3 cup of vermicompost in the plot. Then observe the growth for 2 days and water them daily. Now move on to project execution results. This is the day on seed plan. On 31st July, the seeds start growing. Tiny leaves started emerging on 3rd August. And on 7th August, we added the fertilizers to both the plots. This is the observation after the addition of fertilizers. In plot 1, there is chemical fertilizer NPK 19-19-19, and in plot 3, you put vermicompost. On 9th August, in plot 1, leaves spread everywhere, and in plot 3, only a little spreading was there. On 11th August, the height of the plants were almost same. And 14th August, in plot 1 showed lower height, and that is 3.5 inch. In plot 3 showed higher, that is 4 inch. And on 14th August, I observed that in plot 1 leaves were narrow compared to plot 3, and in plot 3 there were broader leaves compared to plot 1. On 16th August, the plot 1's height increased, that is 4.2 inch, and in plot 3 4 inch. On 17th August, I observed that the height of the plants were different, so I took the average height of the plants. I took 5 readings and took the average. In plot 1 showed 3.7 inch, and in plot 3 4.2 inch. On 22nd August also I took the average. In plot 1 showed 5 inch, and in plot 3 showed 6 inch. Results. This is the day of seed planting, and this is after 25 days from before the seeds. You really observe that the leaves are narrow compared to plot 3. This is the photo from different angles. Now, the size of the leaves in vermicompost are broader compared to chemical. The height of the saplings in vermicompost is slightly taller, and in chemical is slightly shorter. The milestone of this project is measure the quality of the soil after harvest through soil testing, or repeat the process for other breeds. Conclusion: as on 22nd August, we are seeing better quality of yield in vermicompost fed plot, and we are still continuing this project till the results come. And I thank Vijay for guiding me and taking me forward
17th August, there was the height of the plant.
I go to slide 12.
On the 17th August, the height of the plant by the fertilizer was on 16th August it was more, but after 22nd August it became very less drastic change. So, what could be the reason of the trend?
So it could be loss of nutrients or the growth of the plants had become slow. And this is the observation that
It's the average value. It is not one plant, right? So that is where the case of okay, you have a question. Yes. Average is the height. That's what it is. Not average of the plant. Because you talk about let's see what is the Kannada name. Kannada name is you include that Kannada name also, so that people will understand. And also why you chose this seed for the study. You have to highlight that. Yeah, tell me why you chose this.
fenugreek seeds were available very in the kitchen. Where palak seed, I thought to plant palak. Vijila Anna suggested me that option, but that was not available in my kitchen.
So that you can say that. What is the reason? You improve that, okay? That argument readily available is price. But you can also highlight it as a medicinal property. People commonly use it. That's where I chose that. To say that when they take it as medicine now, then if they are using chemical, then there might be some side effects. So that's why I wanted to compare. But you can also, in addition to soil now, you can also do the plants, your 6th standard, but still I will tell you. The quality of that leaves, no, the chemical analysis you can see whether any chemical from the fertilizer has got into the versus the traditional method what you planted now, whether there is any difference you can see that now. Because there is something called uptake of this one in the nutrient as well as the other chemicals. You can check that. Okay, it's time for me to prepare this slide. Huh? Your mom, what does she do?
She's here.
Oh, that is where I saw that is where so.
Okay, but the formatting and all.
No, there is nothing wrong in helping this. The good training, I was thinking 6th standard kid is talking like this is wonderful. Okay, you are lucky to have a good mother at home. Huh? Because many places mothers don't help. They will be with mobile all the time. So, okay. Yes.
You should, I just given this some tips. First one, that is chemical fertilizer. You should tell which fertilizer you are using.
There is one of the things, one of the slides we have put as concepts. Can you go to NPK and here this is composition also. Go to that slide next. The comparative thing is there. There is one side. See that NPK 19.
No, that is name it is there now. That is name itself NPK only. I don't know. Another thing is here that the leaves and the plant height, everything it is together. Then it will be seed. Don't do like that. The table, you make it two tables, like the growth of leaves separate and the height of plant, you should keep it as a separate. Two tables. Then that objective part is not much else. Please rewrite that objective part.
You understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Then study area also. Please see.
Study area map.
Yeah.
He did it in at home only.
Yeah, but the name you can write no.
Don't put the
Where
name.
is the place?
Put the address.
Yeah, address.
Your house has address, no? You can write that. You can say
Where you study, that is the important thing. This way we cannot understand. Where is the place? Right?
where you stay?
India.
India.
So write about this. Okay, my question is, you have spoken about the leaf size, right? How do you know using fertilizers or vermicompost has a change in the leaf size? Or what could be the different reasons why a plant would have different leaf size?
His age.
No, he has mentioned leaves, that's why I asked.
No, he has given the broadly.
Narrow and broad, but there are different factors why it could be narrow. Okay, if you, while planting the seeds, if you plant it very close to each other, I have already told you this, the leaf size would be smaller. So it might have nothing to do with the NPK. So that you have to justify why you have compared the leaf size.
You understood? Okay, now all the children are sitting now very close. If they sit further, their behavior is different than compared to this. Here, no, they will talk like this. Okay, then they have to speak louder. Okay, discipline. Like that, plants also will have the thing. You know, if the space is more, they get more the air, light, etc. Because otherwise, what will you? That is phenological thing we say. But for your age, it is good. Okay. You improve that, okay?
Chairman has Chairman has this.
What chairman? What chairman? You are raising a hand at the end.
Between 14th August to 16th August, the growth of the plant becomes stagnant, but in the remaining it's exponential. So what would be the reason?
Artha aita? You repeat. You should ask simple question.
14th August ಮತ್ತು 16th August ಮಧ್ಯ ಅದರ ಹೈಟ್ ಏನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಮೇಬಿ ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಥರ
ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆದರೆ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು.
ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹದಿನೈದು ರಜೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ ಈ ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ Yeah.
So, 16 to 16 August, like the chemical fertilizer plant, it was 4.1. Maybe 17 August was 3.7.
In the practice, there is average.
Average.
See, our average and the many plants average here. They cannot single plant. Plant will not reduce the height. Okay, good. Thank you. Your teachers will do the next evaluation. They will shortlist, and then they will send us the list of the projects which are chosen for the next symposium by 15th of September. And when they do the evaluation, they will also give suggestion so that you can improve that your slide and submit it to teachers so that teachers can share with us in a Google Drive. So latest by 30th September. You should remember these 2 dates. First day, what happens? 15th September. Teachers will do the evaluation based on our suggestion. You should improve the content. Huh? You should improve the content. Okay, and do the presentation. Teachers will conduct a session like this, and they will evaluate. Because you are representing Purnapramati there in the symposium, which is the international symposium. The responsibility is on the teachers to make sure the quality of presentation, content are good. Okay? And when you come there, you are also representing Indian science because it's an international event. So that's why we want the quality. For that quality, you have to be careful on your presentation, slides, preparation, etc. Second thing is, I would advise you youngsters not to do the copy paste. Some of you have used the content which is there on the net. See, that is there for you to read, not to paste it on the system. When you sit in the classroom, you should avoid talking among yourself. That continuous talking, madam, you should understand. Which class you are in? Huh? 8th standard. And continuously you are talking. And I am looking at you so often and because you are not even stopping the thing. Huh? So many times I look at that. Which is not correct. See, classroom has certain decorum. Classroom has certain principles. We should not, it's not a grandmother's colony to sit in the corner and speak. Okay, please keep that, if you come for like symposium, no, you should not get into the talking and bring bad name to India. You have to be careful. There you are representing India, lineage of science, Purnapramati. Then if somebody says, then it comes bad name to India, they will say all are just talk and they don't do anything. Then they will tell me also, lineage of science will put all such people and waste time. And they will also tell Purnapramati will send such students. You should not bring bad name to the institution. Okay? So now coming back to the topic. The next evaluation will be done by teachers in the school and they will select a student for the next symposium and that list will be sent to us. Those who are going to do the presentation in the symposium, the teachers will send the list to us. Okay? That I will be sending one mail regarding that. Then after the evaluation, teachers would have given some suggestion how to improve the content, etc. You should improve the content. And then submit the PPT slides, PPT and PDF version to teachers. Teachers in turn will share it with us in a Google Drive so that we will copy it in our system before we go to the next symposium. And the third thing is coming to next symposium is the responsibility of the school and the students. We have no role in that. So we will not arrange any vehicle or anything, but we will arrange the accommodation and food. When you come there, we will arrange the accommodation and food. So this point you have to be there. And security of the student of the respective school is the faculty's responsibility who are accompanying. So it is whatever I am talking is being recorded and it will put it on the web page also, so that you will know that what are do's and don'ts. Okay. So now when you come there, no, you have to be careful and you have to represent India, Indian Science Purnapramati properly. You are all invited to Lake Symposium, but those who are going to be presented will be chosen by your teachers. See now, out of 22 or 23 projects, teachers might select all 23, all are good. They might select 15, if 15 are good. It doesn't mean the remaining need not attend the symposium. You can come to the symposium, but you will not be able to do the presentation, those who are not selected. The students who are selected are by the teacher will do the presentation. And teacher will send us the list, the containing student name and the project, what they have shortlisted. So that we will prepare the schedule and we will schedule it on one of the day. You are going to do the presentation in the presence of about 1,000 people. There will be 1,000 people. Will you do? Okay, very good. So you can keep that in mind. Now I want somebody to summarize what I said so far. I have said many things. Who will do that? No one. I think Vitas individuals are those I have to do. Memory, you did that, no? Okay, who will do the summary? Come. Yes. Not you, not you. No, wait, you are hesitant. I will ask you. You just came. Okay, then. See, what I spoke maybe slightly higher thing. She will talk in your own terminology, so like the way they understand and you speak now. You will explain it. Come. She will. Then who will remember? I also. What you do, Aaron, you should tell me. See, now these two are talking. Isn't it? Okay. Okay, you forgot. Come. I'm sure you will do it.
External evaluation because we that it will be done by the teachers. The teachers will select the students, and those who are selected will go and present there in the lake.
No, before that, they prepare the slide and submit it to teacher on or before 30th. And teachers will send the result through Google Drive. You repeat.
So they take their recommendations and suggestions, and they complete their slides and send it to the teachers. The teachers will send it to IISC.
I see. Then coming to next.
So those who are selected will be presenting in the lake symposium before 1,000 people. And those who are not selected
Are also welcome.
are also welcome to come and watch. And the food and everything will be
We will provide. Coming there is their responsibility.
transported.
It is the school and secretary of children is the responsibility of students, teachers and school. Students also have responsibility.
So the security responsibilities of the students, teachers and
Yeah, the second round will be conducted at IISC like last week.
We will not do it. This time we are different. Last time when we did now, some students gave a feedback to us. Sir, you give opportunity to our teachers to select us. They will do a good job. Okay? That's why we have given the responsibility to teachers. You know where last week was given? That was one of the suggestions given. You know who got a first prize, no? He has given that suggestion. Okay? Okay, this is the web page, okay? You know, in this web page, you go to the Lake Symposium section there. Okay? All the details related to Lake Symposium, we have posted there. Can you click on that? See, here the details about symposium, dates and all are there. There is a student-teacher corner is there. In the student-teacher corner, no? Here we have put the reference material. Can you click on reference material? See, we had told you to refer this thing. You know, water testing, all those things are there, okay? Then go back. Then how to document it, we have said. Okay, go back. That's it. Then videos are there. Here the more important thing is the video. Click on that. See, these are the bird, butterfly, insect, macrophytes. All those things videos we have put, okay? Then go back. Then the pre-lake orientation, what we did in Purnapramati and other school, we have put along with the presentation. See, your school on 29th March. You know, all the presentation we have put. For example, if you go to this is the same day, Vidyaniketan, you click. See, everybody's PPT slides and videos are there. See, for you to this one, I am surprised none of you have seen this. In spite of me telling in the last session. And also let me tell you, this time your performance is not up to the mark. I am slightly disappointed with Purnapramati, the response. You have taken longer time, but not up to the mark. You need to do that, okay? If you are coming to IISC, then it has to be a good job. Okay, we have put everything. Then after this one, now what are the evaluation we are doing in various schools? Click on that. See, every child's presentation we are putting it. Your presentation also will come. You know, when people see, they will know your quality of work. You know, now today's presentation, I didn't find a very good this one. I think some faculty has to take the responsibility to come to IISC. It's not a casual attitude, okay? See, these are the things we have put, and now we are going to post this also. The 28 presentation, what has happened, we are going to post it. Okay? So, you have any questions? This is what I wanted to tell. And I have already mentioned that bringing the students is the responsibility of the institution and the respective faculty. We will not take the responsibility of the kids. We will provide accommodation, we will provide food. During accommodation, food also it is the responsibility of the school, not our responsibility, okay? And our responsibility is only in the auditorium. Scientific discussion, we will do that. That's the thing. Now, two things I have told. 15th of this month, September, respective teacher will send us the list of the students who have been chosen for the Lake Symposium. We have not selected anyone because we felt that we need to give some more time to the kids so that kids can do prepare the slides as we have suggested. Teachers can evaluate. You should do the evaluation. Don't just send the list to us thinking that okay, all will do the thing. Okay, it has to be chosen properly. Then those chosen children's, after your evaluation, you will send us the list. That is by 15th September. Then by 30th September, you will share the PPT slides with us in a Google Drive. You are not going to send it by attachment in a mail. You are going to send it in the Google Drive. That is by 30th, so that we will save it on our laptop, and it will be so that our the competition become easier. You know, there are hundreds of kids are doing the presentation. You have to be careful on that. Okay. So the 30th, by 30th, I should get all the PPT slides. By 15th, the teachers have to send us the list of the students chosen. It's not necessary everyone has to be chosen. Only the good ones has to be. You have to choose the good ones. Okay, and others are welcome to come to the Lake Symposium. I have no problem. We will arrange the accommodation, food. But presentation is by only the good the quality work. Okay, not copy paste masters. We do not want copy paste masters in our symposium. We want intelligent youngsters who have done the job and who have the interest to do more work. See, today one or two are really reasonably good. But I want everyone to get into that level, okay? So please talk to elders at your home, and if there are some experts in your area, you please talk to them and prepare for the presentation. This is a unique opportunity in your life. You know, competition IISC is not a joke. We are giving an opportunity. You can ask Mr. Raghu, he spent in IISC. How many schools have come to the IISC? You ask him. He will tell you. We have given an opportunity thinking that you people can do a better job. Okay? If there are any question, I would like to answer that myself and Riju. Then we will wind up the session.
So,
yeah.
In the teacher's evaluation part, we will also see which projects can go as a paper presentation and which can come as a poster presentation.
Yeah, you have to choose that. If the quality for the oral presentation is good, you choose it for the oral. If the content is good but the presentation is not up to the mark, you ask them to prepare poster. Please do not hesitate and do it, okay? Because when they do the presentation, it is Purnapramati's reputation at stake. And we are going to put everything, and we will have the video stream. You know, everybody will have that, okay? If you do very well, the name will come to your institution. If you don't do very well, still the name comes to your institution. Choice is yours, okay? Yeah, that's a good point. Poster versus the oral presentation. Oral presentation is 8 minutes for the presentation, 2 minutes Q&A. Every presentation there will be question and answer. Okay, and poster presentation, you have to prepare a poster, and then you have to do 3 minutes presentation and 2 minutes Q&A. So the students can decide. And some of the posters, like I said, Anandvana, you can prepare poster also. By the time if you improve your oral, you can come for oral. It can be both. You can have the thing. Poster can have more details, more photographs and all those things. Okay. And that can be used in your campus also. That can be displayed. There are advantages. Okay. One investment will help the institution also. Okay. Okay. You have any questions, children? Many have left already.
And in the next round, whatever suggestions and feedbacks have been given now, it is recorded. So if those things are not implemented, then it becomes easy for your teachers to eliminate. That is one of the criteria that they will be evaluating you on.
See, when I get your PPT slides and teachers list, we will go through this and we will verify whether you have implemented. You need to implement that. Okay. Now everything is getting recorded. And it will be uploaded in 2 or 3 days. See, we have one person, Abhishek. He won't show mercy. He will put everything in his. Okay? You have to be careful. Huh? One is, if you have done a good job, you can show your presentation to your friends, your relatives and all. That is the thing. If you have not done a good job, then if your relatives and friends see that, they will start pulling your leg. Choice is yours. Okay? Yes.
When is the final round of selection?
Final round is in Lake Symposium. When?
October.
17th to 20th October. You have to reach that place. If you are selected by teachers, you have to reach that place on or before 16th morning or 16th evening. Okay, not on 17th. Because 17th early morning around 7:30 you have to start the session. Okay. Any other question? You know my name? You know where I am from? Huh? Find out my name. Huh?
See, you have not used the template. If you had used the template, no, it has the conference dates in that itself.
See, that logo also has the date. See, we all reach that stage when we are at 65, 70 kind of thing. You are already prepared the slide, but you have not read the slides. Huh? Please do that, okay? You have to be serious. Huh? You have put in effort, but try to be more serious, okay? You should know what is there in your slides, okay?
All the best to all of you. Prepare well, work hard, okay, and whatever you do, document it properly so that it can be used in your slides. Photographs, dates, weather conditions, if it is species related, all these things are very important. Okay? So don't forget anything. While going to the field, make a checklist of what all you have to do before itself. And after coming back from the field, don't think that, okay, I forgot, I have to go back again. That won't work. Prepare a plan for the field work and then go execute it and come back. Is that clear? And plan your field works in advance. You know very well when your holidays are. You know your school timings better than us. Right? So according to that, you plan your schedule and make sure that you have time for your field work. And later, don't give excuse. See, morning I scolded some of them. Because they came and said that my PPT is incomplete or I made changes to the PPT. Yesterday I sent it to Akka. Akka sent it to me, but I did not take it. Some late night also, which I received, I sent it to Cincy. She said, cut-off time is over. Okay? Ah.
No, because it was already
Oh, yeah.
copied or system.
That's what. So that is why I scolded in the morning also.
Another one that you wanted to that PPT, how to say no in your standard, then the first
Class is not mentioned for most of them.
Then name, okay, that team member one name.
left.
school, then Purnapramati, Anandavana, then Purnapramati, Anandavana, like that.
For example, a boy by name Chinmaya, 8th standard. You say 8, STD underscore Chinmaya underscore Purnapramati Anandavana. Okay.
What sir is telling is not on the slide. The name of the slide when you
Name
save
of
the
the
file.
egg, please show that file.
You show the
You know
files.
what you got is a filter version. Everything was Lake 24, Lake 24, Lake 24. I renamed to whatever I could and sent it.
Not that you did that with a better resolution.
Here you can see.
Don't do that. If resolution seems to be too poor,
You बड़ा कर दो large है
large icon.
large है then the
No, yes, no.
फिर भी नहीं
This looks like a Chinese word. Huh?
Okay, you understood, right?
See
In the
here,
file name,
see here, standard is the 6th standard underscore name Avani, then underscore PP Purnapramati, then the location whether Anandvana or result is written. Okay. So that for us saving it become easier. You know, all these are done artificial intelligence. We don't use our brain. We'll put it in the system, it will put all 8 standard together. Then if we don't want 8 standard, we need to go to 10th standard and compare with 10th standard. Huh? Then the 10th standard kids will have problem. They won't score well. Huh? Okay, if you have any question, we will answer to that. Otherwise, all the best to all of you. The symposium is organized by IISC during 17th to 20th October at Moduvidre in Alvas College. Coming there is your responsibility. Security is your institution responsibility. Food is our responsibility. Giving knowledge, jnana is our responsibility. Okay? Accommodation.
On behalf of Purnapramati, I would like to thank TVRAMACHANDRA show and the entire team. So, I don't know, I can't say much. So, we were never given such opportunities. This is a golden opportunity for you to make use of this. And Moduvidre is a very beautiful place. I was just discussing with Lakshya and Dhatri. It's a place to watch, and you should see that campus, that vibrance, everything. So, I hope most of you get selected and participate in it. So again, this is a very good opportunity. At this age, you are getting exposure to the research being done in ecology at various places. So that itself is a great thing. So let us hope that most of you get selected and go there. And again, I would like to thank the entire team. They have been here from almost 7:20 till here. So
No, we woke up at 4 o'clock today.
yeah, unfortunately, all of our children could not be there. Sorry for that. So thank you.